Welcome to a new dimension in busbar manufacturing. Imagine achieving lighter and more cost-effective busbars through the innovative use of aluminum with copper, combined with friction stir welding technology. Initially made mostly of copper, busbars are designed for high current distribution, providing connections for batteries and DC equipment. Discover with this video how to manufacture busbars with FSW in your CNC machine, thanks to the Stirweld FSW head. The innovative FSW welded busbar solution we're presenting today combines copper and aluminum for superior performance and lower material costs. This breakthrough is not only improving lightweight of the parts, but also reducing costs by up to 3 times. Furthermore, it enhances conductivity performances, making FSW the most sustainable choice for your busbars manufacturing. Unlike traditional assembly techniques such as screwing, friction stir welding offers greater fatigue resistance with a high repeatability for your components, avoiding the unscrewing risk. Overall, friction stir welding doubles the durability of your busbars. After FSW operation in the CNC, the busbars are cut individually to produce the final piece. Elevate your efficiency while lowering expenses. The future of busbar production is here. Curious to see the process in action? Come see it live at our facilities in France and in Detroit, in the United States.